everybody. Welcome to 5th grade science. I am Miss Peavy. We're going to be talking about static electricity today and doing a demonstration with you. As you know, we've been talking about static electricity for a couple weeks, and we just want to make sure that you understand it. I've drawn a little atom here. I know it's kind of rough, but the ones on the outside over here, these little pieces are called electrons. And those are electrically negative charges, okay? The ones on the inside, those are the protons, and they're positive. So you want to have the same number of, the atom wants to have the same number of electrons as they do the protons. And when they don't, that's what causes the positive and negative charges. So an electron, we're going to see if we can move those electrons and make electricity. That static electricity will move in one direction and make static electricity. So let's see if we can think of an experiment. I asked you last week to turn in or to bring with you a balloon, a piece of paper, to come to class with those things, and we're going to see if we can make it work. Miss Callahan is here to help us, so she's going to help us to make sure you have your balloon already blown up. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Pause the video if you need to, and then we're going to see if we can charge this balloon with negative electrons. How do we do that, Miss Callahan?
Well, I know that when we rub the items together, it can cause the electrons to move to one object. So I think maybe if I rub this on your head, Miss Peavy, I might be able to attract some electrons from your hair onto the balloon.
Okay, we'll try.
All right,
Make sure your hair is clean and dry.
Oh, look at that. Electrons
Oh
are
my
going
goodness.
to the balloon.
Look at her.
Her hair is positively charged and the balloon is negatively charged, so they're attracting each other.
Yes, they are.
And
That's
now
wonderful.
this balloon has lots of electrons
Okay.
on it.
So we just use this and this is all?
Another thing we're going to try is I've got some little pieces of paper here. I'm gonna
So we ripped up a piece of paper into little bitty pieces. So on your paper, on your T-chart, do you think it's going to change where those papers are? Will it pick them up? Papers are kind of heavy. You think it's really? I mean, hair is one thing, but paper's not something. Let's try that.
All right, let's see if it'll attract the paper.
It did.
They're all jumping around.
They're picking them up.
Like a little jumping bean.
Yeah, little jumping beans. Awesome. Well, that works out really well.
Very cool.
I wonder if we can try something else. I know it works on hair, and now it works on paper. What else could work? Miss Nickel, do you know?
Maybe we can use some thread.
Some thread, okay? So little bitty
Let's try
pieces
it
of
out.
thread, okay?
I'm gonna put it down.
It's kind of like hair.
Yeah, kind
Yeah.
of.
All right, I guess we need my hair
All
again.
right, give me those electrons.
I got
All the
plenty.
electrons.
I got plenty of electrons in my
Let's see
hair.
if her hair's gonna stand up.
Oh my
again.
Oh, it
goodness.
is. Look at that. All right, let's try the thread. Here we go.
That's a lot of trouble for it not to work.
Yeah.
Okay, so not the thread.
No thread.
Okay,
It's not
So
gonna
on
work.
your chart, make sure you wrote no.
So we know the
All
paper
right,
did.
let's predict again.
The thread didn't.
Okay, so maybe some yarn.
Oh, let's try yarn. Okay, let me see. Put it right there.
Can we spread it out? Maybe that will help.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay. I guess we got to
Alright.
charge our balloon again. You ready?
All right,
There
Miss
we
Peavy, we need you. We need your hair.
Thank you, Miss Peavy, for all your electrons.
Oh my goodness.
All right, y'all.
Ooh,
Worked.
You're picking them up all of them.
Hanging from the balloon. Look how good it's sticking.
Oh, super cool.
Wow.
I have some good electrons.
You do. Very sticky.
But my hair's not sticky. All right. And then our last thing was we asked you to bring in some aluminum foil. So,
All right, you all.
Miss Nickel, do you have some?
I have plenty of it. So let's think about this. Do you think it's gonna pick it up? Let's try.
Oh, we
Well,
have
it's even
big
more
pieces.
I'm gonna try.
Gosh, those are big pieces.
Let's see what happens.
I wonder. Okay, make your prediction. What do you think's going to happen? Yes or no? Here we go again.
All right, Miss Peavy, we need some more electrons.
Real good this time.
Oh my goodness.
Let's
Real
see
good
what's
there.
gonna happen.
My hair is going everywhere.
Oh yeah, that's good.
All right.
Whoa!
They're dancing around.
dancing.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's sticking.
Cool.
I have one more suggestion.
Ooh,
Okay.
One more. Now, since these are long and skinny like this, what happens if I ball them up?
Ooh.
Well,
Let's
it makes
try.
a difference.
This one. Fall this
Well,
one
make
up
it
as well.
not real tight, but just make them into balls.
Okay.
Just because it's different. We'll see
Yeah.
if this works.
Okay.
All right, one more time.
One
All right,
more.
one more time.
Get plenty of electrons.
All right. Oh,
Ooh,
whoa!
it
I like threw it.
Yes.
Yay.
It's dancing now. The smaller pieces. Oh, the
Cool.
big pieces starting to move as well.
They're moving all on their own. So we found out today that moving those electrons from one place to another will help move that flow of electricity, going from a negative charge to a positive charge so they can be neutral. Thank you guys for helping.
Well done.
Have a great day.
Great job, scholars.